The man opened the bottle of champagne. He was celebrating his promotion. The man opened a bottle of beer. The woman opened a can of Coke. The man opened the car door. The children opened their presents on Christmas morning. The woman opened the curtains. She wanted to let the light into the room. The man opened the door. The businessman opened the taxi door. The woman opened the desk drawer. She was looking for a pen and a notepad. The woman opened the fridge door and ate all the food. She was hungry. The woman opened the envelope. It was a Christmas card. She began to read it. The man opened his mouth. He was shocked at what he saw. The woman opened the oven door. The dinner was ready. The child opened his present. It was his birthday. The man opened the tin with a tin opener. The man opened the bottle of water. He was feeling really thirsty. The man opened the window. The room needed some fresh air. I opened the book to page 23. I opened my arms out wide and breathed in the fresh air. The shop opened up for the first time on the 24th of June. I opened my mouth for the dentist. The man opened the door to the beach. The lift doors opened up and the woman left the lift. The teenager opened up his locker. The woman opened the tumble dryer door. The hands opened up the brown paper bag. The man opened his house door with his house keys. The man opened up the box. The workman opened a tin of Coca-Cola. The golden key opened the lock to a secret paradise. The man opened the petrol tank. The hand opened the book. The man opened the gate with a key. The man opened up the laptop. The man opened the car door for the woman. The man opened the mailbox to get his mail. The man opened the jar.